The Crassula Sarcocaulis. It's a bit of a controversial plant, but I quite like it. And I know there's going to be a lot of people that says you can't bonsai succulents. Well, I quite enjoy this succulent in a pot. It is quite hardy, it's very beginner friendly, and you don't have to do a lot of thinking. I don't wire it really. You just have to prune and it will naturally droop the branches. When it gets larger, the branches will automatically start to droop. As you can see, I just cleaned up this. I want some more growth there on the right hand side because I had to remove a big branch right over there, because you can't have 3 branches there at the same leaf node. It's inverse taper 101. But yeah, if I just develop this part a little bit to the right, then it's going to look pretty cool. And I mean, these were just 2 cuttings that I placed inside of this pot, and as I said, very low maintenance. Just let it grow, snip back a bit, draw your imaginary lines around it and just snip back, let it grow. And it doesn't, in my opinion, doesn't need a lot of sun. It grows actually a bit better in semi-shade, because I don't give it a lot of water. So in full sun, it would dry out quite fast. But let's have an example of this one where I'm just going to literally be pruning it into a circular shape. So I drawed my imaginary lines around it, and now I'm just going to mind-numbingly prune it as if it's a hedge. I'm not going to think too much about it. As you can see, literally just snipping away right there, thinning a bit of the branches out, and that's it. I'm going to show you now what the finished product looks like. Don't get me wrong, it's not in the competition stage yet, but this is like literally the 2nd or 3rd prune I gave it this season. I planted it from a cutting this season, and I've shown this one in the beginning. I really do think they make quite cool trees. So please let me know what you guys think about this. Okay, well, not trees, because it's a succulent. So it makes quite cool representations of trees in a pot. Let's have a close-up look of that. I don't know what you call that. It just had too much growth and it started to split open but healed. That's quite cool. And it's been in this pot for 2 years. I haven't fertilized it. It's really, really, really simple. There's also one. Just took a cutting, stick it in, just pruning, little to no wires involved. Very, very beginner friendly. And then have a look at this. This looks quite cool to me. A bit of flakiness. Also, I think this is due to growing it has too good conditions, so it grows and then starts to split. Anyways, let me know in the comments, guys. Cheers.